In a year marked by declining electric sedan sales, Porsche's flagship EV, the Taycan, has found itself in a difficult spot. Despite its performance pedigree and Porsche branding, the Taycan was the company's slowest-selling model in the first half of 2025. Remarkably, it even lagged behind the aging 718 sports car, which is due for replacement soon. To breathe new life into the Taycan and spark fresh interest in the U.S. market, Porsche is introducing a bold new variant, the Taycan Black Edition. The Taycan Black Edition isn't just about a darker color scheme, it's about refining the electric sedan's identity. The exterior boasts 21-inch alloy wheels with full-color Porsche crest center caps, eye-catching matrix LED headlights, and a rear light bar with a striking illuminated black Porsche logo. Buyers who want an even bolder appearance can opt for the extended Black Edition package, which includes distinctive front door decals. Despite its name, the Black Edition isn't limited to a single color. Standard paints include jet black metallic, ice gray metallic, volcano gray metallic, and dolomite silver metallic. For those wanting a unique personal touch, Porsche offers the Legends, Dreams, and Contrast collections. Or for the truly individualistic, the Paint to Sample program ensures virtually limitless options. Step inside and the monochrome theme continues. The interior features embossed black leather trim, illuminated black aluminum scuff plates, and a Black Edition badge on the center console. Comfort and technology upgrades are also part of the package. Drivers can enjoy 14-way power-adjustable comfort seats, a Bose surround sound system, Porsche's electric sports sound feature, and a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Under the sleek body, all Taycan Black Edition models are equipped with the Performance Battery Plus, a 105 kilowatt-hour battery that's typically optional, but now standard. This upgrade boosts driving range and supports better performance across the lineup. The base model offers up to 429 horsepower, while the more powerful Taycan 4S tops out at an impressive 590 horsepower. For those wanting something truly bespoke, Porsche's exclusive manufacturer's Sonderwunsch program offers extensive customization options tailored specifically for the Black Edition. With style upgrades and improved value, the 2025 Taycan Black Edition is Porsche's answer to a tough EV market. Proof that when in doubt, just black everything out.